For over a century, they've called behavioral science a mess. Let's dig into why.
Yeah, experts literally call it hopelessly fragmented. Pretty harsh, right?
And this isn't new. For decades, the field has been missing a core unifying theory.
But, this chaos isn't unique. Chemistry was just like this before the periodic table. Then, boom, a framework emerged, organizing everything from just a few elemental building blocks. And today, AI pattern recognition machines have unanimously found the exact parallel for behavior. It's called the Unified Behavior Model, or UBM, and it's a brilliant solution. So the UBM is built on just 4 core irreducible elements. That's it. These elements interact in what's called a recursive behavior ecosystem, or BES.
Notice every single arrow is bidirectional. It's a perpetual recursive system that's completely unique to you.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, where do things like motivation or willpower fit in? Well, they're behavioral mirages. They're compounds that emerge from the core elements, not elements themselves. Think about it like chemistry. Hydrogen and oxygen, they're elements. Water is the compound.
It's the same for behavior. Your stories, feelings, and environment are the elements. Motivation is the compound.
A behavioral compound emerges from blending 1, 2, or even more of those core elements.
But why only these 4 elements? Well, let's put the model to the test. Here's the thing. Try to remove any single one of them, and the whole model just falls apart. You've got 4 domains. No overlap, no gaps. That's what we call elemental sufficiency.
And this structure is key. It makes the model scientifically falsifiable, meaning it can be tested and broken.
In fact, there's a $1,000 prize for anyone who can do just that.
Yep, it's called the No Fifth Element Challenge. A model is only scientific if you can break it.
So here's the question for you. Can you find an irreducible element that doesn't fit? Can you break it?